This Mother's Day, let your child create a gift straight from the heart. Introducing Young Fan Afterschool's Mother's Day Masterpiece Craft Extravaganza. This exciting after-school program is the perfect way for your little ones to unleash their creativity and craft a one-of-a-kind gift for moms. They'll have access to a treasure trove of art supplies and our expert instructors who will guide them every step of the way. Worried about the mess? Don't be! Our studio is designed for creative chaos, and we take care of all the cleaning up. You get to sit back, relax, and wait to be amazed by your child's masterpiece. Imagine the look on mom's face when she receives a handmade gift crafted with love by her precious little one. It'll be a gift she'll cherish forever, a reminder of their precious bond. But it's not just about the gift. Our Mother's Day program is a fantastic way to nurture your child's creativity, self-expression, and fine motor skills. They'll learn new techniques, have a blast with their friends, and, most importantly, create a memory that will last a lifetime. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make this Mother's Day unforgettable. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.